Ladies and gentlemen, let us all start the show by welcoming our flag-raising bird, Bandit.
Sa matungkol, dito na naman po. Ito yung birthday ni Jello.
Now, Bandit is a red and green macaw, or also known as green-winged macaw.
Ito na.
Now, macaws are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern and central South America. Alright, so just to explain why Bandit is hesitating to fly towards Ed, it's because of the wind. So the bird knows when to fly or not. So mahadlok sila because they might get hurt if di sila ka-break o taro. Alright, so let's just wait for Bandit. Now, macaws typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as papaya, durian, rambutan, and they love corn. We also give them sunflower seeds as treats. Alright, there you go. Good one, Bandit. Also, they typically feed on seeds, salts and minerals along the riverbanks. And just a fun fact, Bandit is our dancing bird here in Cebu. Alright.
Ay, nangiti.
Now, macaws have well-developed brains, that's why they're capable of complex cognition. So that's an example why dili mulupado, like dritso si Bandit because of the wind. Alright, so there you go. The show's officially started. A round of applause for Bandit. Hello everyone and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. I'm Adrian, your host for today. Now the next featured birds are just like any best of friends. Pretty cute, right? So best friends can sometimes be competitive. Now let us meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Azul. And today, they will battle it out who's the best in a basketball game. Alright, here comes Blue. But before we continue this battle, I'll be inviting you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Come on, boys, say, go Blue, go Blue. Alright, now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Azul. Come on, girls, say, go Azul, go Azul. Alright, so trainers, birds, ready, set, go! Alright, here comes both birds on the table. First one from both birds, second one from Blue, and the winner is Blue wins this game, alright. 1 point for the boys. Now I think Azul deserves another race. Let's do our ring race. Now the first bird who can drop 3 rings into the ball the fastest is the winner. And that's the ring race. Alright, trainers, first, ready, set, go! Alright, here comes Azul. Hey, what is this? Azul's picking up 3 rings at the same time, and Azul! Oh! No, she dropped 2 rings and Blue saves the game! But clever though, Azul. Well, give it up for a beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Azul. Alright, now this time we would like to show you our birds in flight. So everyone just remain seated, ready your cameras as they will fly above your head. So as you've noticed, the birds in our show are parrots. That is because parrots are highly intelligent, colorful, charismatic, and they have the ability to copy or mimic sounds. These birds are social beings. They love being together with their partner, fly together in flocks, and could get imprinted with their caretakers or trainers. The macaws are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner in their lifetime. Sana all. Okay, just don't get too close with the birds and don't touch the birds, please. They might fly away and magkuhan sa kanila sa SM or sa layo. Alright, now that's it for beautiful pair of blue and gold macaws, blue and azul. Okay, now I'll be needing a volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Anyone who wants to volunteer? Just raise your hand. Anyone with a 20 peso bill or any money bill? Alright, ma'am, the one with the white long sleeves, okay? Please join me here at the center. Get ready with your 20 pesos. Alright? Right here. And your money, please. Let me just hold it. Okay, so stand right there, face towards the stage, and extend your left arm like this. Straighten your arm in. Okay, and I'll put the 20 peso bill between your fingers. Alright, now no matter what happens, don't move your arm, okay? Everyone, let's meet our money bird, Blue. Alright, let's wait for Blue. Okay, ma'am, you may put your arms down. Also, ma'am, can you please roll your sleeves a little? Okay, thank you. Alright, okay, one more time now. Extend your left arm. Now let's wait for Blue. Alright, come on, Blue. I think, okay, same situation as Bandit. So Maglisa decided to fly across the pool to Blue because of the wind. And also, karon kami ka-experience sa imani kadaghanan ni napuno. So maybe that's why Blue is hesitant to fly towards the crowd. So ma'am, please join me there on the stage. Let's go there. Let's do it on stage. Okay, so we're actually training our parrots during ECQ period. So there's no people while we were training. So that's why they're a bit hesitant to fly towards the crowd. So once again, now, please extend your left arm. Here comes. Oh, what happened, Blue? Okay, let's just wait for Blue.
Dapat makablue pa.
Okay, so Joseph will do the behavior. So once again, ma'am, extend your left arm. Let's wait for Blue. Okay, come on, Blue. Alright, here comes Blue. Okay, Blue flies over, picks the money. Okay, Blue flies have a photo with you, okay? So, just follow Joseph's instructions. Nakikauban, ma'am? Okay. So, I'll take your photo. I'll take your photo. Okay.
Ako ba yung tilabi?
Okay, hold on. Okay, alright. Smile and... Okay, just follow Joseph's instructions. Okay, smile and pose together with Blue. Then look to the camera, smile and pose with Blue. Alright, now here's your phone back and here's your money back. Thank you so much. Give it for volunteering their money for Blue. Now, who here loves math? Everyone knows addition, right? This next part of the show will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. But before we continue, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. First number, please. Any number between 1 to 50. 8. Okay, we have number 8. Next number, please.
5.
11. Okay. Alright, so the equation is 8 plus 11. Now we all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our great mathematician can solve the equation for us. But before that, let me shuffle the numbers first. Alright, now the numbers have been shuffled. Let us meet our great mathematician, Snow. Okay, let's wait for Snow. Now, Snow is our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Cacatua molossensis. Moluccan cockatoos are large white cockatoos endemic to the Seram archipelago of eastern Indonesia. And as you can see, her body is covered with pinkish white color feathers. And they have a slight yellow coloration under their wings and under tail feathers. Just like any other cockatoos, Moluccan cockatoos are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sounds. They are also known as salmon-crested cockatoo. Alright, now let's see if Snow can solve this equation. Once again, the equation is 8 plus 11. Now solve the equation for us. Ooh, Snow picks the number 1. Alright. Good start, Snow. Now off to the second number.
Malayo sa siya.
And Snow picks the number 9. She answered it correctly. Give it up for a great mathematician, Snow. Now for the next part of our show, we would like to show you 3 types of parrots here in Cebu Park. We have red our Eclectus Parrot, goldy our blue and gold macaw, and lastly, our green winged macaw, banded. Okay, now let's just wait for banded. Okay, so while waiting, here's Fred. Closer look of Red. dimorphism, meaning there are striking visual differences between the male and the female Eclectus parrot. Now, who can guess here what the gender of red is? Is it a male or a female? Male? Female. Well, to those who answered male, I'm sorry, you guys are wrong. So, red here is a female Eclectus parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Now, as of the male, they have bright green colored feathers. So that's the difference between a male and a female Eclectus parrot. Now, Eclectus parrots can live approximately to 30 years old. Okay? Scientific name for Eclectus parrot is Eclectus roratus. So that's it for red or Eclectus parrot. Now, on this side, we have Goldie or blue and gold macaw. Now, blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of metallic blue on their backs and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and inner wings. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. The scientific name for this macaw is Ara ararauna. That's it for Goldie or blue and gold macaw. Now we have here banded or green-winged macaw. As you can see, his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. The scientific name for this macaw is Eclectus. Alright, say hi to everyone, Daniel. Say hi. Okay, now that's it for banded or green-winged macaw. Okay, so pasensya kayo guys ha. There's only 3 of us here. So medyo liso dyan kayo. Mag-DJ pa, dagan pa po ka sa bird. So we're very sorry. Okay, so parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. And just like kids, they do best when kept engaged and occupied. And who knows this game? This is called Shamebox Puzzle. Remember playing this when we were still kids? Now here comes Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting the shapes back to its correct slot. Alright, come on Bandit. Now, even though what Bandit will be showing to us is a learned behavior, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, perception, and memory. Okay, so there you go. There's our dancing bird. Parrots have really good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Also, just a fun fact, for us to be able to train a parrot, or actually any animals, that would take us 1 to 2 months. So it's an everyday training. So every day it would take hours, or sometimes just a little bit of their time so that hindi would mahago ang atong mga parrots. So while we are training them, we give them fruits as a reward. And most of the time, we just give sunflower seeds. They also love corn. Alright, come on, Bandit. Okay, Bandit. Now once again, parrots have well-developed brains. That's why they're able to do those different tasks, or I mean, difficult tasks and behaviors. Alright, there you go. Pretty children, right? Round of applause for Bandit. Alright, so everyone, I have here a ball, which I'll hide under one of these three silver cups. Now where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, middle. Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Alright, so everyone, if you believe in Goldie, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find the hidden object for us. There you go, she found it. Round of applause for her psychic bird, Goldie. Now for the next part of our show, we would like to show you our birds of prey, or also known as raptors. Now raptor means to seize or take by force. Raptors must hunt using their strong talons by seizing or impaling their prey. Now there are 446 types of raptors around the world, and here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two kinds of raptors. We have a kite and an eagle. So the first one is our Brahmin kite, Kingdom. The Brahmin kite is scientifically known as Haliaster indus. These birds can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and also in Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. They can also be found in the Philippines and are locally known as Lawin or Manong in the Visayas region. Alright, let's wait for Kingdom. Now, kites are petite and delicate birds. They tend to prey on smaller animals such as insects, cabbage, or fish. So our trainers are wearing these black gloves called the gauntlets. That is to protect their arms and skin from their sharp talons and beaks. Also, they are using the whistle to call our raptors. So the term for that in training is recall. Alright, let's wait for Kingdom. Okay. Also, Kingdom and one of our raptors is actually donated by the DNR, so they are rescued animals. Okay, so that's it for Kingdom or Brahmin kite. So for the next flying bird, let's have Friday or Philippine Serpent Eagle. Philippine Serpent Eagles are endemic here in the Philippines. Scientific name is Nornis. As you can see, the body is covered with white spots. Now their naked face, their eyes, and their feet is colored yellow. Eagles are heavy and strong birds compared to the kite. So that's why they tend to prey on larger animals such as rodents, snakes, and other birds. Alright, now that's it for raptor or Philippine Serpent Eagle. Right. Now for the next flying bird, let's meet our homing pigeons. Okay, let's wait. Bumoyo pa to sila. Now these homing pigeons have an innate homing ability, meaning they'll go back to their nest and game. But they also have this special sense called the magneto reception, where they're able to perceive the Earth's location, altitude, and direction. Alright, now that's it for raptors and homing pigeons. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only try to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. We follow the 3 R's, namely the reuse, reduce, and recycle. Now let's call in our lovely parrots once again, and he'll show us the proper ways to dispose of. It's sad to say that a lot of our animals in the wild are struggling their lives right now because of pollution and improper waste management. Remember that there's no huge amount of money or advanced technology that can help solve this global problem. So everyone, let's all come together and help take part of the greatest creation of God and a gift of Mother Nature. See if Bandit can do it, then so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. Let's do our part in saving this world, and remember, this is the only home we got. Now let us present to you the animals and trainers that made the show possible. We have Bandit, our Green Macaw with Joseph. We have our Gobi Serpent Eagle Freddy with Irvin. And once again, I'm Adrian, your host for today. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Keep safe, everyone, and always wear your mask.